Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update on ticker MULN or Mullen Automotive. Before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading platform and if you would like some free stock, head to the comments and description section of this video. If you use that link to sign up for Moomoo, you can receive 10 free stocks. All right, so latest news story here for Mullen. The CEO and chairman of Mullen Automotive said that all cash and stock required to close the Bollinger transaction on September 7th, 2022 has been funded or placed in escrow as required by the transaction documents. We are excited about the opportunities this acquisition brings and look forward to updating our shareholders with the positive outcomes resulting from this transaction. So when the news came out about this large stake in Bollinger Motors, this thing exploded and it looked like this thing was going to go to the moon, and then this thing had a huge sell-off. So let's take a look here at what went down with that price action. Let me zoom in a little bit on the chart here. So here's the news coming out on Thursday, early Thursday, this huge explosion up here to 79 cents. And then this thing gave it all back really quickly and then some, and it just continued to sell off. So you can see we broke here a very key level around 61 cents yesterday as this thing made a huge move down. It was rallying a bit in pre-market here, got all the way up to 66 cents, and then made this huge move lower. So let's take a look here. If I zoom out, change up my time frame a little bit. Actually, we're already on the 30-day here. Let's go out to the 1 hour. Trying to look for areas to the downside. There's nothing there. Let's check the 4 hour. Okay, so on the 4 hour, where are we at right now? 55 cents or so. Yeah, so coming all the way out to the 4 hour here, to me, it looks like we're heading down to test the 50-cent level. That could be an area that we hit, and if we do, keep your eye there, because you can see on the 4 hour 180 day here, that is the low. So I think if we dip below that 50-cent mark, here on the 4 hour time frame and close below it, then we are probably going to make a pretty good move lower. Let me go out to some longer time frames here. We got the daily also showing that low there of around 52 cents, and then let's head out to the 3-year weekly. Nothing below that. Let's change up the time frame here. Yep, still nothing lower, going out to the weekly 5-year chart. Yep, even with the 10-year going back to when this thing actually hit the markets, that thing was trading around the $9 mark. So yeah, we don't even have a price to look at to the downside. If this thing falls below that 50-cent mark and closes below that level, that is definitely going to be key. So here on the shorter time frame, we see pretty good rejection around 53 cents here. So, if we close below 53 cents here on the 15-minute, look for it to test that 50-cent level. If it closes below that level, look out below, because we don't even have any price to look at down there, or any areas on the chart to look at where this thing might settle down. And then to the upside, we do have this area right here in after hours trading where it rallied to about 57 cents or 0.5684. That looks key to me. If we can get this thing to tick up a little bit and close above that level here on the 15-minute, I think this thing can run all the way up here to about 60 cents or maybe 60.5 cents. So there's some key prices I'm looking at here for Mullen Automotive, or ticker MULN. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.